Good morning, students. I hope you all remember about our last class. Yesterday, we did inventions. A very good morning to you all. I am the best. I can do it. God is always with me. I am a winner. Today is my day. A quote from Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, Missile Man of India, scientist, an inventor. Children, I would like to introduce Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. I don't know how many of you know about him. I have no idea कि आप में से कौन उनको जानता है. But I really want to tell you that yesterday we were doing inventions and we were discussing about some scientists. Now he is one of the best scientists of the world. He was a president of India, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, जिन्होंने सपनों से हमको जीना सिखाया, जिन्होंने हमें यह सिखाया कि अगर हम सपने देखते हैं तो उन्हें सच रखने की भी ताकत रखनी चाहिए. Right? So, I welcome you all in today's TK class with Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. हम साइंटिस्ट और इन्वेंटर्स की बात करें और मैं आपको उनके बारे में ना बताऊं, that's not possible. Right? So, quote of the day from Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. He says, वो हमेशा कहते हैं और हमेशा कहते थे, every morning should be like I am the best. I can do it. God is always with me. I am a winner and today is my day. Such a positive thought. All 5 are positive thoughts. So my children must believe in him and try to live your life like this. So let's start our chapter, inventions. Yes, we were doing this yesterday, inventions, and I discussed 2 inventors with you. Earl Dixon, an American inventor, and he is known for inventing bandages. Yeah, we discussed this yesterday. And Joseph, who actually invented camera, photographs. आप देखिए आपकी बुक में जो पिक्चर बनी हुई है उसमें फोटोग्राफ्स की पिक्चर है. So you can match both the pictures, right? All right. So let's do the next one. Charles Babbage. Can you all see this picture? Can you all see? You can see it here also. और आपकी जो books हैं उसमें भी आप इनको देख सकते हैं. Charles Babbage, who invented computer. Yes. This is a picture of computer he invented. आई थिंक आप लोग इसको रिलेट नहीं कर पाएंगे बिकॉज़ आज का कंप्यूटर और जो उन्होंने बनाया था उसमें बहुत बहुत फ़र्क है. बट ये कंप्यूटर एक्चुअली कोडिंग लैंग्वेज से चलता था. आज हम सबको और आपके स्कूल में भी टीचर्स फिर से आपको कन्विंस कर रहे हैं दैट यू चिल्ड्रन मस्ट नो अबाउट कोडिंग. सो ही इन्वेंटेड दिस कंप्यूटर by using coding language. So this is the computer invented by Charles Babbage. Carl Benz. बताइए आप क्या देख पा रहे हैं इस पिक्चर में? Can anybody tell me? Yes, this is according to you you can say that this is a rickshaw kind of a thing, but it's not. He invented car. He invented car. See, Carl Benz, the first practical automobile car. This is a car, my children. This is car. See. Okay, I'll just show you one thing. Then I think you can easily relate. See this. She is a wife of Carl Benz. So children, you can see this clip later. This is about this car invented by Carl Benz. I want to tell you one thing. जब इन्होंने ये कार बनाई थी तो बहुत टाइम तक उनके गराज में ये खड़ी रही. उन्होंने उसको चलाने की कोशिश की, बट something or the other happened. Then one fine day उनकी वाइफ, you can see it here, बाहर निकली और उन्होंने इसको चलाने की कोशिश की. बीच में जहाँ ये रुकती है वहाँ कुछ प्रॉब्लम आई और उन्होंने अपने आप ठीक किया. सो बेसिकली कार बनाई कार्ल बेंज ने, बट उनकी वाइफ इसे पिक्चर में लेकर आई. उन्होंने ही इसको बताया कि ये कार कैसे चलती है और क्या कैसे होता है. सो यू कैन सी द रिलेटेड वीडियो लेटर ईजिली, राइट. बट ही इन्वेंटेड दिस कार and later on it became history. Yes, he invented so many things कि उनके नाम पर ही आज Mercedes Benz, BENZ, Mercedes Benz आज उन्हीं के नाम पर कार है. आप सब ने Mercedes का नाम सुना होगा कार्स में. सो Mercedes Benz ये नाम उन्हीं के नाम पर रखा गया है. All right. So the next one is Guglielmo Marconi. He invented radio. We are discussing today scientist, the great scientist, right? So this man invented radio, जो एक ज़माने में सबका entertainment हुआ करता था, right? So you can see him here. He invented radio, and in recognition of their contribution to the development of wireless telegraphy उनको नोबल प्राइज़ भी दिया गया था. All right, I hope you all are getting what I am saying. हम जिस साइंटिस्ट की बात कर रहे हैं उनको नोबल प्राइज़ भी दिया गया था. सो चिल्ड्रन, आई वॉन्ट टू टेल यू अबाउट नोबल प्राइज़ ऑल्सो. नोबल प्राइज़ इज़ द ग्रेटेस्ट बेनिफिट टू मैनकाइंड. दिस प्राइज़, the Nobel Prize is the most precious prize एक बहुत कीमती मेडल है ये, एक ऑनर है जो बहुत कम लोगों को दिया जाता है। और ये किन को दिया जाता है? जिन्होंने मैनकाइंड के लिए काम किया है, कुछ बेनिफिट्स करे हैं। इट्स अ हाईली सुपीरियर अवार्ड एंड ऑनर। इंडिया में ये प्राइज़ मदर टेरेसा, रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर, सत्यजीत रे को दिया गया। ये दिया गया है because they have worked in the benefit to mankind, right? One of the most prestigious award, yes, in the world. So इनको नोबेल प्राइज़ भी दिया गया था जिन्होंने रेडियो का आविष्कार किया। He invented radio. J.L. Baird. Now he invented television. He invented TV. TV को किसने इंट्रोड्यूस किया था, हमें किसने बनाया था, जिसके बिना आज हमारी ज़िंदगी कुछ भी नहीं है। आई थिंक वी ऑल सिट इन फ्रंट ऑफ TV फॉर एन आवर और सो इन अ डे, राइट? सो ये TV हमारे सामने कौन लाया? J.L. Baird इज़ द नेम, जिनको आज हम सब याद करते हैं, जिन्होंने हमें इतना अच्छा एंटरटेनमेंट का साधन दिया। सो J.L. Baird children, you can match these two, TV, J.L. Baird. The next, Alexander Graham Bell. He invented telephone. The other picture is the oldest telephone, the first telephone he invented. पहले टेलीफोन इस तरह दिखाई देता था और उससे इस तरह बात की जाती थी जैसे Alexander Graham Bell कर रहे हैं। You all can see it here. Can you see, children? See this image. Alexander Graham Bell. He invented telephone. Now, Alexander Fleming, best known for his discovery of the tablet penicillin. This was a very important medicine, worked like an antibiotic. कोई virus, bacteria which actually harmed our body, this medicine only helps. So who invented this medicine? Yes, Alexander Fleming. Alexander Fleming. All right. So I guess ये लास्ट साइंटिस्ट थे आपकी एक्सरसाइज और आपकी चैप्टर में से. सो वी कैन हैव अ स्मॉल recap, children. Let's me just sorry, a small recap. Let's just do it from the beginning. All you can match, children. You can see this exercise and match easily. I have made a proper image, inventor and his invention, so you can easily match. I'm repeating it again. You all can see it here. Earl Dixon invented bandages. Joseph Nicephore Niepce, he invented camera. फोटोग्राफ्स, आप फोटोग्राफ्स बनी हुई हैं आपकी एक्सरसाइज में, फ़ोटोज़ बनी हुई हैं, आप उनको इनसे मैच कर सकते हैं. ऑलराइट. चार्ल्स बैबेज इन्वेंटेड कंप्यूटर. कार्ल बेंज, वाओ, ही इन्वेंटेड कार. See a beautiful model of the oldest car, the first car. Yeah, you can see this video later. Guglielmo Marconi, he invented radio. J.L. Baird invented television. Alexander Graham Bell, he invented telephone. And last, Alexander Fleming, he invented medicine penicillin. आपकी बुक में छोटी छोटी टैबलेट्स बनी हुई हैं. So he invented medicine called penicillin. So you can easily match. So we have just finished this exercise. I wanted to tell you about these great scientists. We started our class with Dr. J.P. Abdul Kalam. इन सब साइंटिस्ट के अंदर इंडिया का कोई साइंटिस्ट या किसी का इंट्रोडक्शन नहीं है कि इंडिया से कौन से इन्वेंटर थे जिन्होंने किसी चीज़ को इन्वेंट किया. सो चिल्ड्रन, I want to tell you this from my side that India added zero to maths. Maths, alphabets और इन सब का जब आविष्कार हुआ था, ज़ीरो को इंट्रोड्यूस करने वाले हमारे इंडिया के ही साइंटिस्ट थे. Right? All right. Inventions by Indians. Inventions by Indians. See, there are so many inventions by Indian. You all can see it here. You all can see it here. Zero, diamond, iron working. Iron working. Ink. Ink. Ink को भी इंडिया में ही बनाया गया था. Right? Ludo. The game Ludo. Yeah? Buttons. Sugar refinement. Algebraic abbreviations. Zinc, indigo dye, muslin, shampoo, wool. Pure pashmina cashmere wool also invented in India. I told you about India added zero to maths. Aryabhatta invented zero. Right? He was the person who invented zero. He invented zero. That means he thought that some number like 0 exists and one can represent 10 as symbol of 1 as 10 digit and symbol of 0 as unit digit. I hope I'm clear. Right? So Aryabhatta, Brahmagupta invented 0. Alright? And see, there are many inventions done by Indians. This was important to tell you because in your book there was nothing of that sort mentioned, and you must know about your inventions, where you live, your country. Now this exercise. So far we have done about scientists. I have told you about little young scientist also. Right? And about the great scientist Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Now this exercise, it's a very simple exercise. We can do it right now. Please take out your pencils and you can tick mark with me, or you can do it later also. But if you all are sitting with your books, I will request to do it right now with me. So let's take out your pencils, children, and do this very easy exercise. Let's start. The first image, what is it? I'm sure you all must be having it. Yes, it is a fitness tracker. See in the help box, the yellow box, the name is written here, fitness tracker. जो हमारी फिटनेस के बारे में ये वॉच हमें बताती है. When you wear it on your fitness band, when you wear this on your wrist, this tells you about your fitness, about your breathing, about your pulse, about how much you walked, etc. Right? So we call it fitness tracker. So please write it here. Please write it here, or you can mark and write it later. Fitness tracker. The first image, the blue band, the blue watch is fitness tracker. The second image is of course tablet. आई एम श्योर ये तो सब बच्चों के पास होगी और सबकी ममाज बहुत परेशान हुई होंगी कि क्लास ख़त्म होते ही इनको अपना टैबलेट हाथ में चाहिए, राइट? सो चिल्ड्रन, प्लीज़ मार्क योर फेवरेट टैबलेट. The third image is, what is it? It is a GPS. GPS. You can see it here, this third image, and you can write GPS. You can write it down here, GPS. I want to tell you about GPS, children, right? I must tell you about GPS. Now GPS is a basically global positioning system. The full form of GPS is global positioning system, right? I hope I'm clear. All right, so the full form is global positioning system, right? And it is basically a satellite based radio navigation system. So wherever we go, it is basically connected with the satellites, and wherever we go, it tells you the way. It tells you the way, the road directions and everything. आई एम श्योर आप जब अपने पेरेंट्स के साथ ट्रैवल करते होंगे तो मम्मा या पापा अपने फ़ोन में या अपनी गाड़ी में उन्होंने GPS लगा रखा होगा. हम कहीं किसी नई जगह जाते हैं, हमें एड्रेस या वो प्लेस ढूंढने में GPS हमारी मदद करता है. सो प्लीज़ राइट GPS. द फोर्थ पिक्चर इज़ वेरी ईजी. इट इज़ बेसिकली is it a blue? I can't see it. Wait, let me just see it because the picture is not clear on my mobile. It is a hard drive. Let me just see. No, it is a Bluetooth speaker. It is a Bluetooth speaker. Bluetooth, please write Bluetooth. See your help box, children. See your help box. It's written there, Bluetooth speaker. So this is a picture of a Bluetooth speaker. Please write Bluetooth speaker. Right? आई एम श्योर आप सबको पता होगा ब्लूटूथ स्पीकर क्या होता है. ब्लूटूथ स्पीकर बेसिकली इज़ अ पोर्टेबल वायरलेस स्पीकर्स. All right, the next picture is of course our favorite smart TV. The next picture of TV is our favorite smart TV. The next one, smart watch. This is again a new technology. Smart watch. Please write here smart watch. Right? So please write smart watch here. Can you see the picture clearly? Because मेरे इमेज के पास ये थोड़ी सी ब्लर है. So still I can tell you this picture is a smart watch. I'm sure आप लोग सब जानते होंगे what smart watch is. It's a wearable computer in the form of a watch. A wearable, ऐसा कंप्यूटर जो आप अपने हाथ पर पहन सकते हैं. Right? So this is the smart watch. All right, the next picture is hard drive. The last picture is hard, H-A-R-D, hard drive. So please write and mark hard drive. So what is hard drive, children? What is hard drive? It is a basically non-volatile computer storage device containing magnetic disk. Alright, and basically in a easy language, it is a secondary storage device used, जो इस्तेमाल किया जाता है to store data permanently. इसमें हमारा डेटा परमानेंट सेव हो जाता है. The actual word is a hard disk drive, जिसको हम सिंपलर फॉर्म में हार्ड ड्राइव कहते हैं. Alright, it is a hard drive or fixed disk. So am I clear with this? So the last picture is hard drive. So I am repeating it again. You all can check. The first one is fitness tracker. The second one is tablet. Third is GPS. Fourth is Bluetooth speaker. Fifth is smart TV. Sixth is smart watch. And last is hard drive. Yeah, this was a very easy exercise. And I'm sure आप सब बच्चे इन गैजेट्स के बारे में बहुत अच्छे से जानते होंगे. So, the last slide was your exercise. Your greatness is not what you have. It's what you give. Wow, what a brilliant quote. What a brilliant quote. The greatness is not what you have. Greatness, बड़प्पन उसमें नहीं है कि आपके पास क्या है. आपकी ग्रेटनेस किस में है कि आप क्या देते हैं. ये सब साइंटिस्ट जो हमने देखे, बहुत बहुत बड़े और ब्रिलियंट साइंटिस्ट, नॉलेजेबल, ब्रिलियंट माइंड्स, they all were having so much knowledge, so much intelligence, but above all उन्होंने अपनी ये नॉलेज हमसे शेयर की. They worked for mankind, for the benefit of mankind. They worked. So the greatness is not what you have, it is what you give. Try to become like them. I will not say कि आप साइंटिस्ट बनो. Share your things. Do your best. Right, and have a fantastic weekend. Enjoy your weekend, children. I'll see you next week. I hope you really enjoyed this invention class. Yeah, yesterday I gave you one small task about Aditya, the Indian young scientist of 15-year-old. I've received 2-3 messages. Some children, Parth and Saira, they have done their work well. And I'm sure जिसने भी ये सर्च किया होगा, you all must have had a very good time. He is a brilliant mind of India. So I'm glad आप सबने गूगल किया, सर्च किया और आदित्य के बारे में देखा. My love to you all. I'll see you next week. All right. You take care. Bye-bye.